day one up, I still remember landing solo in blue September. My first booyah, hands were shaking. Noobs and pros, all bonds were making. Laughed in squads, we fought for rank. Camped in houses, cleared the tank. From Bermuda to purgatory skies, now I'm logging out with heavy eyes. Goodbye free fire, you were more than a game. You gave me friends, joy and name. Now I uninstall with heart in pain, but memories, they still remain. The zone's closing, I won't respond, but I'll carry this till I'm gone. It's time to leave, I press delete, but this was home beneath my feet. From DJ Alok to Chrono Shield, we ruled the lobbies, never kneel. Pink backpacks, gunskins loud, we were legends, screaming proud. Even those days I felt alone, free fire felt like a second home. Late night matches, no one knew, but it healed me, that much is true. Every knock, every revive, we kept each other's hopes alive. Every glitch, every dance we spend, it's not just code, it's where I stand. Goodbye free fire, you were more than a game. You gave me friends, joy and name. Now I uninstall with heart in pain, but memories, they still remain. Empty, screen fades slow, but your fire still in me glows. Though I log off and walk away, free fire in my heart will stay.